So I am telling about the Chandragupta II, reigned from 376 to 415 AD and war. So you can see that the Vakata kingdom and Saka kingdom. So Chandragupta II have matrimonial alliances, like his daughter Pravati, who married with the Vakata kingdom Rudrasena II, and with the help of Rudrasena II he defeated the Rudrasimha III. And other war, like there is a Bacteria which is under the Kusana Empire, and he also conquered that Bacteria part. So contribution, so he also issue many gold coins, as well as he also have a title of Vikram Aditya, courageous like a sun, and also title of Sakari, and issue many gold coins. So and the next one is Kumara Gupta. So 415 to 455 AD. When we talk about the Kumar Gupta, so he never focused on extend their territory. He focused on only the art and architecture, just like he built the Nalanda University as at Rajgir, and there is a and Nalanda University has also UNESCO heritage site, and also in the Act of Parliament they mention of the Nalanda University, their importance. And you see this map, like they intacted and the Hun invasion. So first time Hun invasion, and he protected their kingdom. And the last one is Skand Gupta. He also same as the Kumar Gupta, he intact their kingdom, and you see, and the second time Hun invasion, so they protected from the Hun invasion. So this is all about the rulers. So I am going to call my other teammate Rasi, who telling about the social life.
Then I am talking about Gupta period and my contains social lives. Then I am explain social lives means. Social lives means how eat foods and what wear clothes and extra. Then my first point, social life. Caste system. Gupta had belonged to Vaishya, but there were different types of caste system. Firstly, Brahmins, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Sudras. And second point is infrastructure. The typical house during the Gupta Empire had only one rooms and was built from bamboo with a chat roof. Even the nobles and kings lived in houses and palaces. The artist produced great works. And third point is clothes. Men wore dhoti and women wore sari. And fourth point is student education. Some children went to schools called ashram when they studied math, science, music, and religion. They also life learned skills. Women status. The condition of women were not good. Discriminations between men and women. There were three different types of marriage. Swayamvar when Blight selected her. Gandhar Vivah was the love marriage, and Surya Vivah marriage selected adoptions. Chess and playing cards were invented by the Indians. And my sixth points, development, math and science. Gupta mathematicians and scientists figured out that the earth revolved around of the sun. Sun computed of the length invented by the base 10 math we use today measures decimal points, measure sums on them. Then I would like to call Priya.
I am talking about my topic Gupta. I am talking about my topic Gupta dynasty, and my content is political life. Firstly, I explain the meaning of political. It means relating to the way power is achieved and used in a country or society. And the first thing that comes in my content is power distribution. There was no distribution of power, and the king was the supreme. At that time, all people believed that the king was come from house of God, so they had great faith in king. At that time, king has second thing that comes in my content is war and peace, Sandhi Virhaka. Sandhi Virhaka means the minister or officer who decides war and peace. The third thing that comes in my content is political power, Allahabad, Patliputra and Ujjain. Prayag, the old name for Allahabad. Now in present time, Allahabad is a Allahabad is a Allahabad is a Allahabad is a metropolis in the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh, and Ujjain and Patliputra were the important centers of political power of the Gupta rulers and administration based on Hindu laws, but also Buddhist and Jainism laws recognized. The fourth and last thing that comes in my content is reason of decline. The main reason of decline was political fragmentation in the Indian subcontinent due to weak administrative rulers and feudalism. Feudalism is a form of political organization, is also existed during Gupta period. So I would like to invite my team member Simi.
Good evening, all of you. My topic is economics. Economics means do this work, and every people in money source and many importance of business. First, my topic is agriculture sector. Agriculture sector means as the known as the golden period. So trade was flourishing and much they issues the coin and Gupta period economics. Sector the agriculture sector during the life in scientific method on the increase produce before the rise of the introduce and several silver coin on trade of local coin. And my second topic is trade of countries. Firstly, trade was the land and both and the countries, because countries South India and West India, and trade was relation with India, and commercial activity in trade was Rome, Asia, Southeast and West, and the trade was very people very products sale in other state. And my third topic is GDP. GDP is a very popular of in world for 30 to 35% all over countries, and source of money $450, and the produced by 1/6% in this people, and takes off the production in peoples. And my last topic is in regions. So Gupta Empire regions of fall, Madagascar and law of the Western Indias, and other regions of the who inventions and competition in increase. And my other and my team member, and I call you team member next Kislavia Abhishek.
My topic is defense. Defense. The Gupta period maintained several military in contrast the Maurya Empire, and the Gupta Empire in Chandragupta II maintained a large military power, just like infantry, cavalry, territory, elephant, and infantry in Gupta period approx 5 lakh soldier, and cavalry also 50,000 cavalry present in defense, and charity 20,000 present in charity, elephant also 10,000 present, and the sources of Sanskrit Mahakavya Raghuvansham is written by the Kalidasa, and unfortunately possibility of resources they are not any not more knowledge for Gupta period defense and I like cavalry. Cavalry is more powerful infantry. The Gupta period, you see the coins, in coins also mention cavalry military powers. I call my teammate Kislay.
So my topic is art and architectures. The Gupta period is a witnessed the tremendous art and architectures for the art and culture and the culmination of architectures. If you see art and architectures of the first of all caves are coming, Ajanta caves, Bagh caves and the Nasik cave. In the Ajanta caves the significance are more before the Buddhism. And also here many chaityas and viharas, chaityas where the peoples are worship of God and the viharas where the peoples are residing during the rain in emergency times. And after this also many Bagh caves and Nasik caves. In the if you see the inscriptions of Allahabad and iron inscription, Allahabad inscription are known as a Prayag Prasasti inscription. Prayag means where to meet two things. And this is known for the Yamuna and the Ganga where meet in the Prayagraj, also known as Prayag Prasasti. In the Prayag Prasasti composed by the Harisen, and here many military conquests of the rulers of Gupta Empire were shown, and the issue coins are the shown where the show many things. And after this dances are the very famous in the Gupta period, like during one festival, Mandotsav festival, peoples are worshipping of natural worship, mango tree around the surround, and he during a dancing, and the dance name is a Chirchiri style. And after this musics are also permanent because the rulers are use the musical instrument, veena, silons, many, and also these types of things are depicted on the numismatic sources. And after Ajanta caves, also Maharashtra, Jakrata, Jatak tales. Jatak tales means where the religious texts of the Jainism. After this, Ellora cave is also one of the famous cave because here another form of unity of religions here so, because Buddhism, Jainism, Hinduism and also Pasupati sect where the mentioning about also flourish many religions here. And the Junagadh caves in Gujarat also famous for the Gupta Empire, and the Bagh caves in MP, Nasik cave in Maharashtra. Also I am explaining about the Allahabad pillars, Mathura pillars, and the Bhitari pillars are also the oldest, and the Garhwa inscriptions, and the Indore inscriptions are also famous for the Buddha inscription. And the Aaron inscription. And Aaron inscription is here. You are also my members are also explaining about the women conditions are not good in the Gupta Empire. But if you see in the for the upliftment of women, here the mentioning about the slavery system of women. In this, so the rulers are trying to uplift of women, and also the rulers are taking the dissidence of the mothers. Lichvi Dohetri means dissidence of the mother, so the upliftment of women. And after dance also I am explaining classical dance are also available in the Gupta Empire, and this is also a Yakshini dance form, and the musics veena, flute, drum, sim dance. And after this it's also 9 gems of the Gupta rulers. This shows the administration are very popular due to the and also strengthening the Gupta Empire. Kalidas wrote Gyan Sakuntalam, Malvika Agnimitram, also lots of literary sources that show, and the Kalidas also help in the administration of workings of the society, where he also take the points and the mentioning about points of society in the books. And the Amar Simha is also another gems, like Amar Simha is written Sanskrit vocabulary, Amar Kosh is known as. And after this, Dhanvantari was a father of Ayurveda. It's a great physician that show the condition of in medicine sector, healthcare sector is unbelievable. And also I am saying on the world's first plastic surgery are during also in the Gupta period. Susrutas are doing with the first time. And the Ghatak is the expert in sculpture and art. Pankha is the Jyotish Shastra, Sanku is the Silp Shastra, the help the art and architectures of the administration, and the Varamhir is the Panch Siddhantika, where the mentioning about the astrology and astronomy is a very prominent figure for the Gupta Empire, and the he showed Surya Siddhantika, where the how to astronomy works for the environment, and the Varochi are the Prakrit Prakasa. Prakrit Prakasa means it's also a grammatical text. He also, so the many languages are the prominent, and he also give the effort of every language, every religion to uplift. And the Betal Bhatt was the Mantra Shastra, and he is also known for the magician. This times to conclude my presentation. I would mainly thanks my Sittu, because he is doing a hard work for this presentation, and the another also member Priya Rasi and the Simi and the Abhishek. In the conclusion, I also brief for the starting of the Gupta Empire and the last and the declining also I may conclude in the conclusion. Sri Gupta was a founder, and after this great achievements of the Gupta Empire in the small territory, after he expanded her territory in the whole North India in only capability of the due to the many administration rurals, and also help in the 9 gems. And if you see the cultural and the social life and the political life, economic life, every better and flourished because of the works of also with the peoples of effort, and also kings are try to give every opportunity, equal opportunity for the every peoples for the upliftment of society. And the many culturals are the natural worships and the many numismatic, that so that it's unbelievable and incredible sources are given in the Gupta Empire, that so it's nothing, it's not a short story about the Gupta Empire, it showed that it's unbelievable. And he also art and temple is also in Nagara style is the evolved during that time, and the Sanskrit was a prominent due to the, and the Sanskrit was evolving, and his script are Nagari script, and Nagari scripts are evolved by the Brahmi script. And after this many temples are also made, a whole temple, Mahabodhi temple, Prakram temples, and the many also paintings that show Buddha paintings in the Ajanta caves and the many other caves, that show the hard work of peoples towards her art in every form of form, because it works are very hardworking. And so I would like to thanks everyone to giving this opportunity for PPT making, and especially gesture for my sir, and especially thanks my team member and hard works of my team member. Thank you so much.
To come. Sit to show me your slide. Chandragupta one.
About ruler. I telling about ruler.
The real founder was Sri Gupta, but Chandragupta was
Yes,
one of the most prominent ruler in the first time.
Yes.
In beginning. Yes, your team has performed very good. As a team, you are strong as compared to other team. All the students have performed equally. That's the biggest achievement of your team. So, to tell me what is the strategy adopted by Chandragupta I, and how it was different from your Samudragupta?
So first thing that matrimonial alliances, like he do matrimonial alliances with other and then extend their territory, first thing. And then he firstly strengthen their military power. Yes, the Samudragupta also do, but they pursuing the Chandragupta one military power. But after Ghatotkacha, he like developed the new thing, like revolution in military strength, and then conquered the many part like mentioned in my PPT, like Prayagraj also.
Okay, second member. As is shown your slide. you tell me, since you are very beginner, you tell me that the social life elements of social life of Gupta which are still continue in present society. Any two elements. Should I speak in Hindi? मैंने ये कहा कि कोई दो ऐसा चीज जो कि गुप्ता के टाइम में भी सोशली प्रेजेंट था, करेक्ट, एंड नाउ ऑल्सो यू कैन फाइंड सच एलिमेंट इन टुडेज लाइफ, और अभी भी इंडियन सोसाइटी में वो चीज है.
Sun around of the
Any two things even present in this 21st century also in Indian society, अभी भी प्रेजेंट है वो दो चीज. How was the social life of Gupta? सोशल लाइफ कैसा था उस समय गुप्ता का? I'm asking you.
सर कास्ट सिस्टम को लेकर वहाँ पे मतलब ज़्यादा भेदभाव कास्ट सिस्टम से.
Correct. There was also caste system, and even in fact in present time also we can see the caste system prevalent in northern India. There is a one similarity, and tell me the second similarity. और क्या सिमिलरिटी है? एक तो चलो ठीक है कास्ट सिस्टम हो गया. सेकंड चीज जो कि हम लोग अभी भी फॉलो कर रहे हैं गुप्ता का ही. ओके नेक्स्ट मैम. ठीक है, ओके वेल. So this type political life.
Yes, sir.
Gupta was known for the political life, correct? So you have learned about the many rulers of Gupta dynasty, right from Chandragupta I, Skandagupta at the last also, Ramagupta. You tell me the relation between the Ramagupta and your Samudragupta. What was the relation between Ramagupta and your
And Samudragupta.
Samudragupta?
Firstly, sir, Samudragupta is son of. Sir, I don't know.
Son of?
Son of.
So what was the relation between them? Because
Brother and
yes, they are brothers.
their brothers. Yes, sir.
Obviously they are brothers. Who was more powerful, Ramagupta or Samudragupta?
Samudragupta is officially Samudragupta.
Yes, Samudragupta.
Yes, sir.
So why?
Because sir, Ramagupta is very afraid. He's not safe his wife, and he killed by his brother Chandragupta first. So I think Samudragupta is more powerful than
Very good. Next student.
Sim-
Simi, show me your slides. Very good. Economy. So how the agriculture of Gupta period different from today's?
Because Gupta period agriculture system was very developed, and in this timing Gupta period agriculture in during the life and very achieved for Gupta period, and in this timing agriculture is very powerful and developed this country.
Next student. Yes, you have taken the very crucial part of your PPT, that is the defense. was the role of cavalry. But today the relevance of cavalry is no more.
No more.
Why?
Because cavalry, in a cavalry used an animal, and that present time, no, in present time more innovation, and not use horses and animals, because in a present time, present time
Okay, fine. So tell me which animal is better to use, either elephant or horse in the cavalry?
horse.
Horse, why?
Because horse is a small animal, and in a elephant fast run in a battleground,
But elephant destroyed the more
and
animal. No?
elephant destroyed more, but elephant maintaining cost, and maintain the more resources, huge resources.
Okay, इसलिए कम, very good. इसलिए you studied art and architecture. You have taken a very good content of the Gupta art and architecture, because Gupta is known for the art and architecture, and you have talked about the Nagara style of architecture also. And I hope you are aware of the difference between Nagara and Dravida also.
Yes, sir.
So, you tell me the Nagara style of architecture that present in the Sun Temple.
It's, I thought, sir, Konark Temple,
Konark Temple. Where is Konark Temple?
Odisha.
Odisha.
Yes.
Do you think Konark is the type of Nagara style?
Mixtures.
Yes, it is a
It's a mixture. It's called a Besar style.
Besara style.
Yes.
So after Gupta, you tell me the ruler who gave prominence to the Nagara style of architecture.
Yes, sir. Every rules like Samudra Gupta, and after Chandragupta too is also many prominent for the combination of Sanskrit and the art, because in the temple walls and ceilings he in craving the Sanskrit words and the slokas.
So anything do you want to?
Yes, sir. I am missing my conclusion.
You
I'm
can
sorry for
speak
this.
anything to the crowd or to me also. Last.
So my experience is very well, because my team are performing very well, because I don't think I never think about he are performing very well, because her pronunciation and her learning capacities are very low, but he are performing incredible. I am very appreciated, and also my team members also appreciate for. But in this presentation, I every time give a special contribution of Sittu, because he prepared many things, and also was search and the research and development, lots of things we are searching, and also Abhishek are taking parts of the main cavalry forms, military forms, and the military is only due to the her territory or expansion. It's the main reason also, and also matrimonial analysis.
Very good. Clap for this
Thank you
guy.
for this.